What's up, guys? It's your boy Isaiah Gibson again from Lightwolf Visuals. So my last video I showed you all what affiliate marketing is and how you can get started, but today I'm going to show you exactly where you could find some good affiliate programs you can become a part of. So first we have ClickBank. ClickBank is a free to join program and it's got a ton of different offers that are available on the internet. Next is JVZoo, and it's marketed just like ClickBank. Is pretty much using almost a similar interface but different. What I like about JVZoo compared to ClickBank is that JVZoo has much more payment options than ClickBank has available to you. Then you have CJ Affiliates. CJ Affiliates has almost every popular company that you can think of tied to it. If you're into some kind of technology niche, if you're into some kind of food niche, almost anything really, CJ Affiliates has. You can find stuff like Namecheap and GoDaddy. Everybody's on CJ Affiliates. So what about the popular retailers like Amazon, Target, Walmart? Well, I'll show you guys how to get to those guys too. So usually at the bottom of these major retailers pages, there's something that says become an affiliate or affiliates, click here. And you just go through the process of signing up for them, and they ask you where you're going to promote, how you're going to promote, what is your audience like. For most new affiliates, you don't have much of an audience, but just be honest because they're going to find out either way. So you want to make sure that you have a site that's dedicated pretty much toward whatever product you're promoting. So if I make an Amazon site, I should say, I'm going to use blog posts or video reviews and tag those Amazon links to the bottom of that page, or in somewhere in the description or in the bio. Something's going to have products used, and you'll use your affiliate links. You'll see those all over the internet. Anytime you do a Google search, you'll see Amazon affiliates everywhere because Amazon is one of the largest online retailers in the world. Same with Walmart, same with Target. Most of these major retailers use affiliates because affiliates push their products better than they ever could themselves. Affiliates are just normal people, you and me. We're the consumers, but why not be part of the production process? So usually, affiliates promote the things they really like. Some affiliates just promote things that are highly profitable, but me personally, I like to pitch things that I use myself. I wouldn't advise somebody to use something I wouldn't use myself because that's bad ethics, and two, that person will never want to work with you ever again if you do something like that. So be honest, be upfront with people, and just be direct. So if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you sign up to become an affiliate of Amazon. Like I said, I'm using blog posts, video reviews, and my own website. So you want to make sure that the website is tailored toward the particular products you're doing. I wouldn't do a jumble of products because that'll confuse people. But sometimes products can go hand in hand with each other. If you're a video creator like myself, you might want more books on video editing techniques or more books on lighting techniques. But then you're also looking at gear purchases. Everybody's always looking at camera purchases. What's the hottest camera out right now? What's the hottest lens out right now? What's the best sound equipment I can get for my money? Everyone's always looking for that kind of combination to improve their own production quality. Then you're going to look at things like what's the best tripod I can afford, or what kind of stabilizer should I get. And usually compare and contrast reviews do great because you're able to provide people with two links to two products, and you leave it up to them. But either way, you're pointing them in the right direction. And Amazon really likes that. You get a nice commission chunk out of that. Recently, I built a computer with my cousin. I recommended him the parts to get, and they're awesome parts. He wants to be a video editor, gamer, and a streamer such as myself. So hey, we just had at it. I sent him the parts, sent him my Amazon links, and it just happened to work out. Sometimes it's as simple as that. Every time you go out with your boys or with your girls, and they say, "Oh, I like your outfit. Where'd you get that from?" And you tell them, "Oh, I got it from Calvin Klein." You're not getting paid for that. The only way you can get paid for that is if you actually send them the link of that item with your affiliate link in it. Let me repeat that. The only way you get paid for a referral is if you send somebody the link of that item with your affiliate link in it. So you talk about things all the time. Why don't you start getting paid for it? Because you don't probably want to put in the work. And what work do you need to do, really? You need to create a landing page, which could be as simple as, hey, this is my store, check it out, and links to it. It could be, something else where you just direct people to your blog. You can direct people to another social media site like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Anywhere that you're promoting this product is where you want to send people to. I guess the more eyes to see your piece, the more chance of earnings you can get. Besides retail, what else can I promote? Everything. You're in the games, promote games. Promote physical items, promote software. Software is a big one because physical items have a shelf life on them, but software is forever. We're in a digital age now where everything's improving. Let's say that you're in a competitive gaming league, then you can, not only get paid for being within that league, you can also get paid for promoting the items that you use, your headsets, your chairs, your controllers, your microphones, if you do streams, everything. So this is how the big streamers do it. And small guys like us, they're just starting out, are really learning the ins and outs of this. How did I learn about all of this? Well, I went through the 15-day challenge, and it really opened my eyes on what affiliate marketing is and how many people can possibly make a commission from just referring regular products, everyday products people use. You're into makeup. Well, guess what? MAC has an affiliate program. Sephora has an affiliate program. I'm quite sure Mary Kay probably has one too. And if you just Google it, makeup affiliate programs, high ticket makeup affiliate programs, pay attention to the commission rate, the cookie life, and obviously how they handle their payments. Some people, do payments bi-weekly. Some people do payments monthly. Some people do payments every 37 days. So outside of that, what else would you do as an affiliate? Or how else can you get involved? Well, you can not only refer to people but once you make those blog posts, you make them optimized towards search engines, and that's really where the money is. If you make a very good blog and you're consistent, post maybe 3 times a week, 4 times a week if you really have the time, then you start pushing traffic to that blog. I'm a drone pilot, so you'll see some drone blogs up very soon. So just things like that. And I really like the fact that people are looking at you as the expert, not necessarily because you're an actual expert on the subject, but because you took the time to educate them about it. And that's really what they appreciated. You're taking your time out to educate them about something that you're both probably passionate about. And that's what people really gravitate towards. They like ingenuity, they like honesty, they like integrity. And that's the biggest thing. That goes back to the first point I made. Don't refer people to products that you yourself wouldn't use, because what is the point of that? How can you talk about something you have no knowledge of? That's a terrible idea. So there's some free software you can use to make your websites and landing pages. I use GrooveFunnels, Groove Pages, because those guys are updating the system very rapidly. You can not only have your websites and funnels on there, they also have Groove Blog, which you can integrate with your own website. They have SEO integration, search engine optimization integration. They have auto responder integrations with just about everybody. You can start your online store with them using Groove Sale. You can start, a membership class and do courses with Groove Member. Just the options are limitless really with Groove. You can really have a lot of fun with those guys if you really take the time to learn the platform, learn the system, and just pay attention to the updates. I have a link below if you want to sign up for free, but you really get the most out of a lifetime upgrade to a platinum membership. The platinum membership really opens the floodgates for you. You get unlimited pages, unlimited blogs. You get all the templates in the world you can think of. They have great customer support, and they'll listen to whatever feedback you give them, but you'll have probably more say as a platinum member, because really money talks, as everybody knows. I've used Clickfunnels before. Clickfunnels is great too. They're really just mostly a funnel builder. You can probably make courses out of them too. It'll just be more work. But why go through that if you have a dedicated platform that's made to do that in Groove? But Groove compared to Clickfunnels is a little more established. They've been in the game longer, so they've got more skin in the game, as people like to say, as far as being a funnel builder. So they're probably more consistently reliable for you. Once you get past the initial roadblocks of your domain setup and your hosting issues, once you get all that done, you'll be good to go. So going back to domain, whenever you do your blog post, you want to make sure that your domain, your website name, is related to whatever you're pitching, whatever you're promoting. So I'm going to talk about drones. My blog post should be something like drone buddy, drone guy, eyes in the air, something like that. I don't know, because you want to build credibility to whatever the topic is you're talking about. You don't want to be all over the place and be too generic, because why would people want to listen to that? Why would people want to read that? How do they know that what you're talking about is something that you feel passionate about if your page is about everything in the world? Stick to a certain niche and stay with it. Be consistent and just trust the process. If you want to go in a different direction, go in a different direction. Buy another domain name related to that. You want to talk about parenting, you want to talk about how, mental health is great, you can probably mix those two because they're related to each other. But I wouldn't talk about parenting and being a drone pilot because I don't think that those two are very relevant to each other. Even though I am both a parent and a drone pilot, I wouldn't mix the two in a blog post unless I'm talking about kid-friendly drones and how parents need to be, around them. But even still, I don't know how interesting of a piece that would be. I have to really get my creative juices flowing to make that happen. So, digging back into the Amazon thing. Okay, let's say, all right, I'm a real big fashion person, or I really like baby clothes. Baby clothes is huge. Everybody needs baby clothes. So I'm gonna, promote this outfit and that outfit and this outfit and that outfit. No, pick a season, stick to it, because you're posting relevant content. People aren't gonna look for winter clothes at the start of spring. Some people might because they're hoarders, but at the same time, why would they do that for their baby and they don't know how their baby's growth spurts are gonna be at that time? Always think about relevancy to both the audience and your piece. Not necessarily what you like, but what they like. Always think about what they like more than what you like. And again, these are all things that I learned within the 15-day challenge. And I really, really, really recommend you guys take that because it gives you a clear direction of where you need to go. Before this, I was really kind of going all over the place. I was going on ClickBank saying, okay, what's the most popular item? What has the highest gravity? Oh man, how can I promote this? When really I didn't know much about the product, much about that industry, much about that niche. But now I'm really digging into what I'm strong at, what I'm really good at, and that's technology. That's photography, that's videography, that's making money because I've worked a ton of jobs and I've got quite a skill set. That's not a flex, but that's just the truth. And some things you're just passionate about. I'm passionate about basketball. I was the best player growing up. I did play, but I'm passionate about it, so I can talk about it for a little bit. And sometimes you can use that fiery passion to make an income. I would prefer people to products I would use if I was still a player. I would refer people to some places they can get certain trainings as an athlete, because that's what I feel would make them better. It's something where you study for a long enough period of time, you really want to talk about it, and then once you do that, the sky is wide open for you. So if you like this video, make sure you drop a comment, like, share, subscribe. I'll be here a lot more often. It's been a little while since my last post because life kind of creeps up on you, but here I am, guys. Isaiah Gibson from Lightwolf Visuals signing out.